First Lady of Nigeria, that before this meeting,
Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria,
First Lady of Ghana, will take another
this peace mission. When I whispered to him that my colleagues, my sisters, nominated me as the President of African First Ladies Peace Mission, he kept quiet. I said, for African First Ladies Peace Mission, not Nigeria. With all sense of humility, I accept my election as the incoming 9th President of the African First Ladies Peace Mission. I want to sincerely thank all my colleagues for your continuous support and understanding, for entrusting me with this great responsibility. I pledge to execute my responsibility with total commitment and in accordance with the mission's laid down regulations. Your Excellencies, gentlemen of the press, as you are aware, the task before us is a collective commitment. Hence, the cooperation is indeed for the overall success of African First Ladies Peace Mission. On my own part, I assure you that I will discharge my affairs of my office with honesty, dedication, and inclusivity. My dear colleagues, as we conclude this summit, let history guide us to ensure that the Africa we bequeath to our children today is better than the one we inherited. Let us commit ourselves to working together towards achieving glorious destiny for all Africans. Thank you for listening. Wishing you a safe trip to your respective countries and destinations. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Excellency Muhammadu Buhari, President of the Republic, warm and fraternal greetings from the government and the good people of Ghana. On behalf of all Ghanaians, it is indeed an honor to deliver a goodwill message at this very important assembly. As stated in the mission of the African First Ladies Peace Mission, our primary purpose is to address the peace situation on the African continent with regard to the role of women and to mobilize both government and non-governmental resources to help reduce violence and their effects in Africa. This mission was relevant at the inception of the African First Ladies Peace Mission and is still relevant today. From east to west, north to south, our continent continues to experience violence with catastrophic effects, especially on women, children, and the very poor people in society. As important stakeholders in our respective countries, it is important for us to take on a more direct means of engaging society to help minimize such violence and its disastrous effects on lives and property. Therefore, this meeting comes at an opportune time and underscores the need to generate ideas on the best ways to assist in mitigating conflicts and enhancing peace, security, and the well-being of all in our communities. But we need to build a solid foundation for us to succeed. I therefore wish to make a passionate appeal for us all to support the building of a befitting headquarters for the African First Ladies Peace Mission. This will provide not just a meeting venue, but a place where concrete experiences are shared, institutional memory developed and disseminated, research materials stored, and more importantly, strategies developed to advance peace on our continent. I call on all lovers of peace and development to contribute to the building of this headquarters. We must act and act speedily because peace is essential to our development. On that note, I wish all of us very successful deliberations and pray that the outcome of our discussions will set the tone for accelerated progress towards peace and security on our continent. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, I want to commend Her Excellency for convening this most important meeting, because I keep reminding people in Africa that the First Ladies are not voted for, but if your husband doesn't do the right thing, it affects the First Lady. So our job is to make sure we have stability, our job is to make sure we have peace, and our job is to make sure we support our husband's agenda, the agenda for the people. Today we're here to support her as she has called upon us. And as sisters, this is what we're supposed to be doing, supporting one another. Because when we are together, we are stronger. When we are divided, then there's a problem. So I don't think I came here to elect you as the president. I came here to let you know that for the country that you are the First Lady for, you're already a leader. And I'm here to support you, and I'm standing with you. And I know there is no better place for us to have our secretariat than Nigeria. When you talk about all the wars, I want to specifically talk about Sierra Leone. The war in Sierra Leone will not have been won without Nigeria, without the support of the Nigerian soldiers. I know how many people died, how many Nigerians died in Sierra Leone to give us the peace and stability we have today. So, my sister, I am with you, I am standing with you, and I'm supporting you. You are my president before I came from Sierra Leone, and you will be the president here today. Thank you so very much.
Please sit down. Thank you. Her Excellency, wife of Vice President, Federal Republic of Nigeria, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pleasure that I welcome African First Ladies to Nigeria for the 9th General Assembly of the African First Ladies Peace Mission. The importance of this assembly lies in the fact that peace has become an elusive subject that affects development in many regions of Africa. The activities of insurgents and banditry have led to more widespread displacement and poverty. It is not in doubt that women and children are the worst affected by the breakdown of peace. Therefore, as mothers, I believe you are in better position to drive the processes of peace and actions where necessary. Indeed, I am happy to know that your forum has been working towards promoting peaceful coexistence within the continent in so many ways. On this note, I would like to reiterate the commitment of our government to the resolutions of this assembly, and I invite other African leaders to do the same. I also call on stakeholders to support your efforts towards realizing the core objective of building a peaceful society. I congratulate the Nigerian First Lady for acquiring a piece of land on behalf of all First Ladies for the development of a Secretariat for African First Ladies Mission in Abuja. It gladdens my heart to know that when completed, the Secretariat will serve several purposes, including creating employment opportunities as well as generating income for sustainability. I wish you successful deliberations. Thank you very much.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.